Hello there, this is the Zombiru YouTube channel. Dissatisfaction can really make it hard to stay motivated. When I started learning drums, I only used my favorite kit presets, but I was still unhappy with them because of the preset. Ever since I learned how to change and perfect my drum kit sounds, I've found drumming much more fun. Let's dive right into the basics of getting your E-kit sounding great. As you can see, there are many great sounding presets on the Yamaha DTX drum module. First, select a kit you'd like to modify, and then change the type of drum that the pad represents. Hit this right arrow shown here. Once you do, the selected pad will show up. This letter shows what category of instrument each pad represents. K means kick, S means snare, T means tom, H means hi-hat, C means cymbal, P means percussion, and E means electronic. The text here shows the name of the selected pad. Pressing the right arrow a second time will bring you to the category-specific option. Rotating the silver control wheel will guide you through the different options for each kit voice in a specific category. You may continue progressing through the options by using the right and left arrow navigation keys. The other options include tuning/size, muting, sustain, volume, and panning. Whenever you finish with all your settings, you will notice this symbol, which means that you have unsaved changes. Save your kit by pressing the Save Enter button. Pressing it once will bring up a screen that will allow you to name your kit. For now, press the Save Enter button again, and then once more. Here's a couple examples of some unique kits you can make using the Yamaha DTX drum module. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you found this info helpful and have a great day.